And I'm gonna call this one Lost Gems. And this one is for the lost niggas. So Lost Gems for lost niggas. And it goes, see my lungs breathe hip hop. Lick one shot for the souls of Pop, Big L, Pun, and Big Pop. Believe the truth. Even when they force knots, I predict the climate. Can't tell me what's hot. Young chick living in the world of insanity where everybody favorite sin happens to be vanity. Not realizing where the rabbit hole goes. I only talk about shit I do know. Like I got the persona of a bona fide rebel against trends. I'm on another level playing chess with the devil. Know it's dead, I gotta settle. So I follow the bread back home, Hansel and Gretel. I keep up with all the worldly events, counting down on the days when the world gon' end. Keep the loved ones near, and nigga be clear, cause I know for sure who's family and friends. See, I brag wishing people would finally get it. Negativity can be somewhat uplifting, so I tell these hoes to please close your legs, and these do nothing niggas to please get your bread, cause life is unpredictable and death is indispensable. You ain't gotta rhyme big words to be lyrical, was taught. If you know something, put it in layman's. So get your fucking life together. Quit playing. I know what you thinking. I'm getting my money. But Nick Jr. is raising your child, dummy. Dora can teach them hello in Spanish. But who gonna tell them not to use them hammers? They say gangster rap ain't good no more. Like niggas ain't dying in the hood no more. Truth be told, being gangster ain't thing to do. You a real nigga, cool. Get your gangster ass to school. Yeah, I definitely gotta do this more often. Subscribe, please. Please subscribe. Like, share, and all of that. If you really enjoy, I'm gonna do more of these more often because I got so many verses that I forgot. Like, not forgot, but I just don't use, so I don't. They pop up from time to time, or I may write some new shit exclusively for y'all. You never know. So like, subscribe, share, comment, all of that. I need to get my subscriptions up at the bottom. Do it, please, for me. All I gotta say is, Royal Life. Signing out.